let's do our nails. I got these nails from Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 and they are so pretty to me. It comes with a filer and glue, but I'm going to use this other glue I saw at Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to just size my nails so that it can just go faster, and then next I'm going to buff all of my nails with my filer that I also got from Dollar Tree. And you want to buff your nails really well and then go in with some alcohol. I didn't get the alcohol from Dollar Tree, but I got the cotton round from Dollar Tree. But they do have 70% alcohol at Dollar Tree. Now it's time to use this new glue, and honestly y'all, I like it. Like, I will definitely buy this again. It just made the whole process cleaner to me. Like, it wasn't glue dripping around on my nails or anything like that. It just kept everything nice and neat. And based off the reviews from my video I have of this nail glue, I used 2 coats on my nails and then 2 coats inside of the press-on nail. Then I hold it for 30 seconds, and so far so good. But you definitely want to use the glue like that, in my opinion, to keep it on for a little bit. They have, I don't know why I keep stuttering, sorry y'all. But they have some other nail glue there, and it has what is wrong with me? It has a green top. I don't like that glue, okay? There's no glue, no glue comes out. So, I don't know. But this glue, I would definitely buy again. It's hard. My nails, they don't feel like they're gonna pop off. I type, and I like them. And I like this brand of nails too. This brand is actually on Amazon as well, but Dollar Tree has them. So if you see them, grab you a box, okay? And I just think that they're so pretty to me. But now it's time to kind of cut them down. I'm using this nail cutter that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I do like them long like that, but I'm like, girl, you gotta type, and so I just didn't feel like it, So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of cut them down to my size, a length that I can type with and be comfortable. I'm gonna go in with my oil pen that I also got from Dollar Tree, my favorite oil pen to use, and that's about it. I love this set. This is very inexpensive, and this is gonna last me for about, I'm thinking 2 weeks for sure. 3 weeks would be nice, but this will definitely last me for about 2 weeks. So let me know what you guys think, and then let me know if there's other, the cream. You gotta put the Dove cream on your hands and your feet. Dollar Tree as well. I just love it. I just love Dollar Tree, as y'all can clearly see, right? But I love this set, and anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.